Hi, I'm Nikki, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a website domain on GoDaddy.com. Alright, we're going to take it step by step, so let's jump in now. First, go to GoDaddy.com. We're going to enter the name that we're considering for our website here in the search box. It's going to search all of the registered domains, and if your name is not available, you can always scroll down to the bottom and get some other variations of your name down here. You really want to try and stick with the .com address. It's the most common type of website and it's just going to be the most familiar looking, so it is the most popular. But if you're set on a name that is not available, you might want to consider some other variations just so you can keep that name. Okay, the domain we want, neon-couch.com, is available and it's only $2.99 per year. Let's add it to our cart. So it's automatically set for a registration term of 2 years. I'm going to change it to 1 year. And we want to make sure costs stay as low as possible. Most domain names cost under $3, so we can already see that a promo code has been added to our cart. Our domain is only going to be $2.99 for 1 year, but just in case you don't have this promotion available, you might want to do a quick Google search for GoDaddy promo codes and see what type of codes pop up. You want to look for something under $3. All right, looks good. Let's keep going. And they're going to ask us to create an account. So if you want to continue without registering an account, you can click sign in later. So there's some extra options available here that we can add with the purchase of our domain. You can add on a privacy and protection service, which blocks the registration information like your email, your name, your phone number. So if you want to avoid spam, you might want to consider protecting your information by using one of these packages. If not, you can say no thanks and continue. Now, GoDaddy offers a website builder for free for the first 7 days. And if you'd like to continue building and designing your website using GoDaddy, you can use their service. There are also some other great options available like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace. On any of those websites, you can build your website, design it, and a lot of them are drag and drop, so it's very user-friendly. You don't have to use GoDaddy's service, but you can leave this checked if you want to just check out the builder and see if you like it. They're also going to give you options to add an email account using your domain. So for example, if we decided we wanted GoDaddy to host our email address, we can pay $1.99. And this looks like it's going to be a monthly cost for each domain that you want to add. And it would be formatted something like this: yourname@yourwebsite.com. I highly recommend you check out my other video, how to get a free business email. It's linked above, so you can skip this step in GoDaddy and actually get an email address to use for your business or website name for free. Check out that video, guys. Let's say no thanks and we're going to continue. Okay, you definitely want to review your website, make sure it's spelled correctly, make sure it's exactly as you want it because you're not going to be able to change this later. Neon-couch.com. We have it registered for 1 year and we can change that if we decide we want to add more now. It's going to be $2.99. It tells us when exactly it's going to auto renew, so whichever payment method I have on file right now, it's going to try and charge this at the time of renewal. You can also turn this off later. Okay, it is prompting us to create an account with GoDaddy, which you definitely want because you want to be able to manage your domain later. Okay, we'll continue with email. So let's create an account so we can purchase this domain and we'll be able to manage it later. You're going to enter your name and your address, your phone number. So we've entered our billing information. We're going to enter the card that we're going to purchase this website with. All right, and the last time we're going to double, triple check our information. Okay, neon-couch.com is officially ours. When you're ready to build and design your website, you can do that with GoDaddy's website builder, or there are some other great options available like Shopify, Wix, or Square. To link your domain to those platforms, you'll need to manage your DNS, which stands for Domain Name Service, and you'll have to follow their instructions. You can say, "I'll do this later, take me to my dashboard." And lastly, you'll be able to manage your domain here. So there you have it. You now have your very own website and are one step closer to building your business. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see.